Welcome back friends to another video by Smartest Blogger, and in this video I am going to tell you how to hack the view of any HTML page or any HTML site. So let's get started. Before that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Smartest Blogger and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications time to time. So let's get started. So this is my smartestblogger.com website, and here you can find I have written the post on how to edit or hack the view of HTML page. So I will click on this page. So after clicking here, you will find the information I have written here. So from this page you want to copy this code. I will copy this code. After copying this, if you want to edit a HTML view of this page, you can edit. For demo, I will use Amazon.in website. So here you can see Amazon.in website open. I here will search for iPhone. So here you can see new Apple iPhone 12 Pro. Here the price is given here. So you want to right click on this page, and here you can see the inspect option. Click here. After clicking on inspect, here you can see the console option. Click here on console and paste that code here. I will paste that code here and hit enter. After hitting enter, you can click anywhere. I will click here, and now I am able to change the value. Here I can change its value. So it will very informative. So here it is very interesting. You can add whatever you want. Is it interesting or not? Comment me and tell me. By this trick, you can fool your friends and make fun of them. So it will be very funny to fool your friends. Friends, if you like this code or like this hack, then like this video and share it with your friends for fooling them. And at last, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Smartest Blogger for getting these videos daily.